With this platform, regain control in 30 seconds flat. Live location, forced ringing even on silent, express locking and remote full erasure. All for free without installing complicated software. Just an account on this site and 2 minutes to set everything up. Think about it. Tomorrow when your phone is gone, you'll thank your current self for watching this video all the way to the end. You're patrolling your house like a detective, turning over every cushion, searching every corner. Is your phone missing? Before panic sets in, stop everything. Google has developed a secret weapon called Find My Device. A tool so powerful that it can locate your device in real time, make it ring even on silent, lock it remotely, and, in extreme cases, erase all your data to keep it out of the hands of the wrong people. In this video, I'll show you how to turn this nightmare into a simple anecdote. And, most importantly, how to maintain total control no matter the situation. Key features: Find My Device is much more than just GPS tracking. First, the real-time location feature lets you see your phone displayed on a map like a target on radar. Second, the ring function is magical. Even in silent mode, your device will emit a shrill ring, perfect for finding it under furniture or unmasking a clever thief. Third, remote locking lets you block access and display a personalized message like, "Please return me." Finally, the ultimate option, remote wipe, a nuclear solution to protect your sensitive data if all hope is lost. Before continuing with the video, let us introduce you to our digital agency, Isis Techno. Specializing in the creation, management, and promotion of content on social media, we help you boost your online visibility. Computer security, parental control advice, VPN, antivirus, and other digital tools, we have the solutions you need. Ready to take it to the next level? Contact us via our website or WhatsApp. And finally, as we like to say, digital is the art of transforming pixels into opportunities. So, seize yours now with Isis Techno. How to do it? Use Find My Device with Child's Play. First step, go to google.com/android/find or open the dedicated app on another device. Second step, log in with the Google account linked to your lost phone. Third step, the interface offers several options. You can ring the device, activate remote locking with a message, or even erase all data. All in just a few clicks without needing to be a tech expert. It's fast, efficient, and can save your life in the most stressful situations. Here are the conditions for it to work. But be careful, for Find My Device to work, certain conditions must be met. First, your phone must be turned on. A turned-off device is like a ghost, impossible to locate. Next, an internet connection is essential, either via mobile data or Wi-Fi, otherwise the magic can't happen. Finally, the phone must be linked to your Google account with the option enabled in the settings. A word of advice: check these settings now before disaster strikes. Preparation is the key to avoiding unpleasant surprises. So, are you ready to adopt Find My Device and never fear for your precious smartphone again? If this video helped you, like, share, and above all, subscribe so you don't miss any of our life-changing tech tips. Finally, leave a comment to share your experience or ask any questions. And don't forget, when it comes to security, prevention is better than cure. See you soon for new technological adventures.